SEO is dying. Optimize your website for ChatGPT and AI search in 2025. So what's up everyone, Moose here from Relentless Scaling, and today we're diving on how you can adapt your website to ChatGPT and AI search instead of the traditional SEO, which is quickly dying. So the big question is, how do you get platforms like ChatGPT, Grok, or Perplexity to actually recommend you and your business? And how does this differ from the traditional SEO, what you may or may not have already been doing? So now this video will explain the simple process for ensuring you have the best chance of being recommended by AI models. And the good news is it's actually super simple and it will work fantastically with an existing SEO strategy for Google. So let's get into it. So how does GEO, generative engine optimization, differ from SEO? Well, actually, you will still need great content in the form of blogs and case studies and testimonials for your product, and you still need your user manual, etc. to be online, but you should adapt these so these are more conversational based. So now the basis still is to really understand your target customer, what they want and what they need from your products or services. Use all this information to create relevant blog and website content for your target customers. Ensure it's crawlable so the AI models can actually see it. That's a big mistake we see people making. So if the GEO cannot actually see your content, then you will not be able to appear on AI models. You also want clearly defined pages with meta titles and description, making it obvious to Google and generative AI models exactly what that page is for. And next, you want a good domain authority, with the two biggest influences on that being the domain age and backlinks. Whilst backlinks are great for Google, GEO wants a little bit more, which is like your digital footprint. Your digital footprint is like making as much noise in the marketplace as you can. So how many people are mentioning you on social media? How active are you on social media? Look at your backlink profile, your PR, what awards you're winning, etc. Plus, GEO models are also scanning a lot of other signals which can be described as digital noise. So let's get noisy. Next is to optimize for conversational queries by creating detailed FAQ questions. So be sure that all the questions that your customers might have to ask, that you're actually ready for the GEO and answering as much as you can with greater and greater details, optimizing for more conversational rather than just keyword-based queries. You can also start introducing more charts, graphs, and imagery into our FAQ questions, because geo models will scan for those and display them, because it wants that customers have helpful content. They don't want you to just provide good answers to their users' questions. It's also an information that will be valuable overall for the AI model. If you cannot do it, then someone else is going to be able to do it, and there will be the competitor that they're going to promote. So you should be careful about this and share as much answers for your niche than anyone else in the market. In terms of technical things that you need to address, firstly, make sure that you submit sitemaps to Google and Bing. So this is really, really important. Secondly, use the main questions people are asking as subheading and list them as H1s on your web pages. So finally, the normal SEO technical elements around user experience, load speeds, and core web vitals are still really, really important. So the chances that if Google trusts you, generative AI models will trust you too. So they're scanning for the same thing and just a little bit more. So I really hope that helps. That's it. That's the basics of GEO for anyone wanting to use this to grow their businesses even more from different models. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our meta updates. So guys, I see you in the next video.